Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to see love in the general for the sign of Pisces. So watch this video if you're a Pisces, a Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, or if you're dealing with one. Keep in mind these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate. If it do not resonate, do not try to deliberately fit in, check in any other placement. If you want to have a personal reading, link is in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, the link is in the description. Now let's see messages for Pisces. So first we'll see a general message and then we'll go to your love message. Give me general message for Pisces, please. Page of Wands. Okay, I see some sort of like message coming in which is going to make you very happy. If you have been waiting for some sort of good news, I see that is coming in. I also see that in your career you might just get a new idea to do things in a certain way which is going to pay you really well, so pay attention to your intuition. I also see that in your maybe love situation or personal life something broke your heart and you're trying to walk away from it and you're trying to find that source of inspiration. All right, you're trying to bring in more optimism in your life, and that is exactly what is happening here. So something that made you very sad recently, you are getting a chance to get out of that situation and like sort out your life mentally, emotionally. Okay, so universe is going to give you an opportunity. Just pay attention that you don't miss it, because opportunities come in but people ignore them because they are so busy being sad. So don't do that. Okay, what else? Ace of Wands. See, there's definitely a new beginning coming in, but it is going to be very quick. All right, so you will have to make a decision is what I see. Like an opportunity is going to present itself to you, but if you do not act on it at the right time, things might just slip out of your hands, Pisces. So yeah, if you have been waiting for something to happen for a very long time, so it could be a communication, it could be a career opportunity, whatever, make sure that you grab the opportunity at the right time. Okay, I also see that you're trying to make boundaries for yourself. So it's like you are prioritizing yourself, you're setting standards for yourself, you are trying to make a routine for yourself, and you're trying to bring in some lifestyle changes. So I see with the new year, new me energy, of course, a lot of people do that every year. So I see you are just setting some goals for yourself, and you're trying to tell yourself, remind yourself that, oh, I have to stick to this thing, or I have to do this for myself. So your energy a lot is to basically bring your life back on track and do something for yourself. Okay, see, you're trying to cut out of a toxic cycle and you're trying to find a balance in your life. Right now you have a lot on your plate, so maybe in career, personal life, professional life, a lot of things are going on and you're trying to strike a balance between all of that. Some of you also need to let go of some sort of toxic addiction. So that could be anything: sex, porn, drugs, alcohol, whatever. So it's like with the new year, new me energy, you might just try to focus on bringing in a healthy lifestyle change in your life. Okay, any other advice for Pisces? Five of Swords. Some of you need to pay attention to what kind of battles do you fight. You know, sometimes the battles are empty battles. Not every battle is meant to be fought, and you don't have to, you know, basically like, you know, get into a situation if it's not necessary. All right, so do not try to get yourself in trouble unnecessarily, is what the cards are suggesting. You choose your battles very wisely. Also, I see that there could be people around you who might be jealous of you, and they might not be what they seem, so you need to pay attention to that. This is not the time to close your eyes and trust people. Rather, be more vigilant is what I would suggest. Okay, so yeah, that was your message, Pisces. Now let's see your love message in particular. All right, so what is the present energy for Pisces in love? What is the present energy for Pisces in love, please? What is the present energy for Pisces in love? Nine of Wands. Yeah, so I see that again, you're just standing up for yourself again with the Emperor card, and we also have the King of Wands. Pisces, somebody might have done something which has hurt your ego. So maybe somebody stepped onto your boundaries. They said something to you which was not pleasant, and it has hurt your self-respect, your self-worth, your ego. I see you're protecting yourself. Okay, so more than like trying to go against anybody, you're just trying to just stand up for yourself, and you're not letting anybody walk over you. So you're not becoming a doormat is what I see. Okay, and you're just trying to make strategy for yourself. Like you're trying to see what next you're going to do in your love life, or who you're going to allow and what you're going to tolerate, and this is something that I will not tolerate, and this is something that I'm going to work upon. So basically making strategies when it comes to your love life, okay? And very strongly holding on to your self-worth. I see that in the past people have really walked over you, and Pisces being a water sign, you might have been very emotional, very considerate to people around you, but they were taking advantage of you, and now you're just trying to become that you're trying to become more wise, or you have become very wise, being a doormat all this while. You have realized to honor your boundaries is what I see. Let us say this person that you were dealing with, what is their intention? Two of Swords. Somebody was not making a decision about you, so I see they were just trying to keep you in the dark. So they clearly knew that they had to choose between you and something, but they did not do it, and that kind of broke the situation between you and them. Some of you might have caught them red-handed, or they said something, as I said, like they said something or they did something which is really deeply hurt you and your self-respect, and after that you have become very, very stubborn. So yeah, you don't want to really negotiate with this person, and you're just trying to hold on to your boundaries is what I see. What is this person's next action towards my Pisces? Some of you, it's an air sign or a Scorpio or a fire sign that you're dealing with. Knight of Pentacles. I see this person is moving in slowly towards you. This person is looking for a reconciliation. They realize that they have done the damage to you. Like they really realize what they have done and the repercussions. So that is why this person is taking their own sweet time, because they know that whatever they did was very, very toxic, and you're not going to put up with their BS anymore. So this person knows that you're very stubborn, and this person also knows that that you are not going to, like, fall for their shit once again. However, they want to work in cooperation with you. So they want you to get on the same page with them and cooperate with them. So somebody is having you on their mind, and they want to make a move towards you, but they are very slow. So still this person is very, very slow, and that is because they realize the damage that they've done to you. This person is trying to communicate with you, but they're taking it slow, okay? So they want to express themselves, they want to talk, they want to say something, but they're taking it slow, and they want your cooperation in that, okay? Okay, let us see what is Pisces' feelings towards this person. Nine of Swords. You think this person is a pain in the ass, and you think this person causes you anxiety. So you might be letting this go. Some of you feel that you just need justice in the situation. So they might have done something to you, and you're waiting for karma to hit them. You just want the situation to balance out, and you're not seeking much from this person. You're trying to protect your inner peace is what I see. What else? And you're just trying to balance your life, with the Justice card again. Yeah, Four of Swords. You're not actively pursuing this person. You're just trying to take a step back, observe, and you think this person causes you a lot of mental strain. You think this person is this person is very fickle-minded, and you don't trust them. Some of you, you're just trying to isolate yourself. You're not replying them, you're not communicating with them, you're just not being part of the situation is what I see. With the Two of Pentacles again, you're trying to juggle, and you're trying to see where this goes, and you're also trying to balance something in your own life. I see a lot is happening in your life. You might be traveling, you might be doing work, there could be business situation, there could be personal life happening. So a lot of things are happening, and you're just trying to strike a balance somehow. Okay, what is this person's energy towards my Pisces? Give me some more cards. Give me the clarification. Five of Wands. This person definitely know that they've done the damage. So somebody is quite aware of the petty drama that they created in your life. However, I see that you are the one who gives them some sort of, like, some of you are doing really well, and having you in their life is going to be like some sort of status for them. So some of you, they also want you for that reason. I'm not saying that that's the only reason, but they realize that you're more successful, or you're somebody who's in the public eye, or they also know that you have multiple people, and they kind of want to win you. Like somebody wants to win you is what I see here, okay? And they think having you will be some sort of victory for them. They see a lot of potential in you and being with you. What else? King of Pentacles. See, this person wants to offer you stability this time. Some of you, this person could be a businessman or a woman. In the past, they were just prioritizing their money and career, but now they want to like heal this connection with you and they want to achieve some sort of stability with you. So somebody is ready to put in the equal effort that they were not doing in the past. Some of you, it could be an Aquarius or an earth sign that you're dealing with. Okay, give me energy for Pisces now. What is happening in Pisces life? Hanged Man. I see that some of you Pisces, you know that you need to do something. That this could be a career situation or could be anything. So it's like deep down you know that you need to make some sort of moves or something that you need to do, but it's like you're holding yourself from taking a risk, or you're just trying to be very calculative when it comes to certain situations. Some of you, you are being advised to take that risk. Okay, so go for whatever your heart desires. I see that you know that you need to do something but you're ignoring it. Stop doing that. Like, do not stand in your own way of growth. Okay, don't try to stick to your old patterns and expect a change. If you want a change, then change your ways. Okay, nothing changes until you change something about you. And when it comes to this love situation, this could again be your energy that you're not paying attention. Like, you used to be very persistent in this connection in the past, but now you're just observing. You're not being as curious as you used to be. You're not like actively participating in this connection. You want this person to do everything. Like, you want them to communicate with you. You think that you are not going to do anything. You feel you've done your part, basically. So a lot of communication blockage is what I see here. Okay, that is kind of hampering this connection between you and them. And you are holding back from communicating. Like, you have something to say to this person, but you're just stopping yourself because you feel that you have done your part in the past and now it is their turn. You think this person causes you anxiety, so you're just avoiding them. And some of you, you're trying to avoid a disaster with them. What else? Two of Wands. I also see that you're trying to make changes in your life. So yeah, you're basically letting go of a toxic situation in your life, and you're trying to find a way out of some sort of toxic situation. Some of you, you're changing places because you feel by changing a place, it is going to add to your life. So a lot of your focus is basically growth and expansion. Like, you know that you need to do certain things, but you're fighting an own battle within yourself, but ultimately I see you'll be doing it. Your priority is to get out of a toxic situation and focus on your growth. Something was really, really draining you in the past, and you're not letting it overpower you in the present and in the future as well. The High Priestess. See, there was like a lot of chaos that was happening around you, and you're just trying to maintain your calm. You're in the present. I see that you're not reacting. Okay, you're just observing. You're in the observation mode. A lot of chaos is happening around you, but you're just trying to maintain your calm so that you can get out of this. See, something has really disappointed you, and you're just trying to find a sense of optimism in the situation by focusing on your own self. What else? Seven of Cups. Somebody confused the hell out of you. This person did not make a move, a decision about you. When you were wanting a connection with them, they were constantly trying to test your patience, and they were also trying to test other options. And now you've moved on. You're like, get away. If you have to choose between me and someone else, I'm not even an option. And now they want to confess things to you. So it's like, when you're trying to move away, they want to confess. What else? Page of Wands again. See, I see now this person wants to make a move towards you when you are trying to walk away. Some of you, this person is also spying you. So you are being watched. Pay attention to that. Some of you, I see emotionally and spiritually you've become very enlightened lately. Like, all of this trauma that happened in your life has basically made you very mature when it comes to emotions. Like, emotionally you've become very solid. Going through all of this alone, you were the only person who was going through, like, there was nobody around you, so that has made you very strong, and now you feel that you don't need this person. And I also see that you're overburdened by a lot of responsibilities in your life right now, so you're not paying attention, or you think you don't have time, and you also don't trust this person, is what I see. You're just trying to heal yourself, and you're just being very cautious that you don't want to repeat the past mistakes. See, you don't want to repeat the past. In the past, you might have confessed something to you and they did not appreciate it. Now you don't want to repeat it. And that's why you're holding back. Regardless, I see a new opportunity. Some of you, if money is a concern, then I see a new venture is going to happen, and it is going to come through a friend or somebody who's going to help you start a new venture. So be open to that. I see a new money-making opportunity, which is going to be very good. And again, I see this person wants to have this equal give and take with you. Like, this is the time that they want to work on this situation with you. I see a communication coming in, like a good news coming in, okay? So somebody is ready to make a move. This person thinks that you could be the one for them. See, wedding. This person thinks that you and them can be together and can have kids and family and all of that. So somebody is imagining wedding with you. Religious factors, you could be from a different religion, culture or background, so that can be a problem between both of you. Or maybe that was a problem, but I see very soon somebody opening up to you. It is safe for you to love and make an effort. See, somebody is ready to make an effort towards you, and Spirit says it is safe. So you might not be feeling it safe right now, but this looks safe. Okay. Okay, give me message for Pisces, please. I want to go stargazing with you. I want to focus on my career right now. So this is your energy. You want to focus on your career, but they want to stargaze with you. Like, what the fuck? What else? I was blind to notice your efforts and feelings. So this is exactly the message, right? When you were putting in the effort, they were blind, and now you don't want to put in the effort. They regret what they did to you. I miss you. This person misses you, and they regret what they did to you. And they are questioning whether you love them or not. So this person thinks that they missed their shot with you and they want to correct their mistake. However, you will give them a second chance or not, depends on you. So you can decide for yourself. So that was the reading. I wish you all a very happy holiday season. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next video. You guys take care. Stay safe. Bye.